We've nearly done every yogurt recipe that you could possibly imagine, and you can find those all over on the blog, but we haven't done this one yet. It's just going to be a soy milk yogurt, and we're going to ferment it over 24 hours. So really similar to all of our other yogurt recipes, you just need a litre of soy milk, some agar powder for thickening, a little bit of honey, or you could use some sugar to make it vegan, and some non-dairy yogurt starter. You can buy this one on the Luvele website. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my 1 litre of soy milk straight into a pot. Remember, as usual, we need to sterilize all of our equipment. Anything that's going to be touching our yogurt needs to be absolutely spotlessly clean. Now I'm going to add my agar powder. I've got about a teaspoon here, and that's enough to thicken this really nicely. Now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of pasteurized honey. If you're using sugar, then a teaspoon's all you need. We only really add this so that the bacteria has something to feed off while it's fermenting. So now I'm just going to bring our milk up to temperature. I'm going to hold it at around 87 degrees Celsius or 109 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Once that's all done, take it off the heat and let it cool right down to below 42 degrees before you add your starter culture. Now we're going to add in 1 sachet of our starter culture and give that a really good whisk through before we pour it straight into our jar. So once you've got the lid on nice and tight, you can then just fill up the base with some water up to the tall line indicator at the back. So now you can just put the lid on, and we're going to set the temperature to 38 degrees and the time to 24 hours. So here we are 24 hours later, and our yogurt is nice and ready to be put into the fridge to chill and set for around 6 to 8 hours. So I can see that that's all done now. The agar has done its job. It's really nice and firm and ready to eat. So there we have it, homemade soy yogurt for your morning breakfast bowl or favorite smoothie, ready for you to enjoy however you like. If you like this recipe, give it a like below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for some more Luvele Life recipes to come.